So in this video, we'll see how we can manage stocks of products in Shopify, whether it is a simple or variable product. So here, first, we'll see how we can manage stocks. First, for that, here I am logged into my admin dashboard of Shopify. Now I will open any product. This is my simple product I have created, nothing much. There is no variation like size, anything, size, color option. So this is first I will tell you how you can manage stock of simple product. This is my simple product. Now, when you scroll down, first you need to enable track quantity. Then only able to manage stock. First enable this feature. Now there is option like you want to sell your product even it is out of stock. If you want to, then check it. Otherwise, leave it that we don't want to sell when product is out of stock. Now go to on hand. Now here, add the stock of product. Suppose my product, there are 100 product. Okay. And here it is also fine, like one product had been purchased in this order. It is a old. Here, I have 100 product. One is committed. Now when I preview it and purchase any product, its stock will automatically decrease. You don't need to manage it every time. So that's very simple. Like for simple product, you can easily manage stock. You can now if my product goes out of stock, suppose I will change stock to 0. Now my product is out of stock. How it will look in fronted, I will show you. Here I can't able to buy it because it's showing sold out. So that's how very simple you can add manage stock of simple product. Now how we can manage for variable product. Now this is simple product. Now I will create a variation of it. Color black and blue. This is product with variation. Now how we can manage the stock of these type of product? For that, click on it, go on bulk edit. Now here you can see track quantity available option is showing. If you don't see this option, click on column, then go down here. You can see my track quantity checkbox. I need to check it. Now here, if I want to manage inventory, I will check these. Now I will manage the stock. Here you can see I will manage that it is 100 in stock. You can manage stock for different variation. Very simple. I will here for 100 for black color, 100 for blue. Suppose it is my 80 for blue. You can manage stock for different product and you can see stocks here 96, 80. Now if you want to manage stock from here, all location, click on single location. Here single location and you can manage stock from here also. Okay. Now go on preview. Here you can see black and blue. Both product are in stock. So I can easily able to place order. So that's how you can easily manage stock in Shopify. Very simple. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.